In the world of woodworking, there's a core truth that continues to reveal itself. Some of the most reliable and fast-selling projects come from foundations that are dense, durable, and rich in both form and function. As the market leans toward handmade, authentic, and sustainable craftsmanship, woodworking has evolved from a quiet hobby to a thriving path for side income or even full-time entrepreneurship. Today's world, with its growing appreciation for authenticity and practicality, offers countless opportunities for skilled hands to turn raw materials into items of real value and profit. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of fast-selling woodworking projects that actually make money, build, and sell with confidence. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At the heart of these opportunities lies a material that embodies all the qualities essential to fast-selling projects: solid wood. When treated properly, hardwoods like oak, maple, walnut, and even reclaimed pine deliver not only physical durability, but also a timeless aesthetic appeal that consumers are willing to pay for. These woods offer more than just visual charm. They bring with them a sense of permanence, of weight and warmth, that plastic and metal alternatives simply cannot replicate. For any woodworker looking to create items that move quickly off shelves or online shops, choosing the right material is the first act of smart business. But beyond a material itself, success in today's fast-moving market is about understanding what people want in their homes and lives, and responding with products that meet those desires while staying true to your creative process. People crave simplicity, functionality, and character in their possessions. They're no longer just buying furniture or home decor. They're buying a story, a feeling, and an experience. That means every piece a woodworker produces must deliver more than usefulness. It must evoke emotion. When you craft a small entryway bench or a wall-mounted key holder, you're not just solving a problem. You're adding texture, warmth, and intention to someone's space. This is where the reliability of wood as a medium becomes your greatest ally. With its strength and stability, solid wood allows a woodworker to create fast-selling items that last, not just in terms of quality, but in relevance. Think of classic designs: minimalist bookshelves, rustic floating shelves, sleek cutting boards, plant stands, or handcrafted jewelry boxes. These aren't fleeting trends. They are perennial favorites in both traditional and contemporary homes. Their appeal crosses generations and styles. They fit into homes whether they're curated for modern minimalism or rich with boho charm. As a woodworker, choosing to focus on these timeless, useful items ensures you're always creating with demand in mind. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. And then comes the most transformative part: the ability to scale. Fast-selling woodworking projects are often small to medium in size, which means you can produce them in batches without sacrificing craftsmanship. This opens the door to more strategic business models, such as making a limited monthly collection, offering custom engravings for higher price points, or developing a subscription box of rotating seasonal decor. Your reliability as a maker increases when your products are not only beautiful and well-made, but consistently available. In today's market, consistency builds customer trust, and trust leads to repeat sales. Online platforms have also changed the game. Marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, and even social media storefronts now allow woodworkers to reach global audiences. A beautifully photographed shelf or end table, paired with a story about its construction, can go viral within hours. Fast selling doesn't just mean physically quick to build. It means products that connect quickly with audiences. That's why visual appeal, branding, and storytelling matter just as much as joinery and finish. A durable, functional wooden item paired with a compelling presentation becomes more than just a product. It becomes an experience customers are eager to buy into. Craft fairs and local markets also continue to be fertile ground for fast-selling woodworking projects. These spaces give you the advantage of tactile appeal. People can touch, smell, and see the grain of your woodwork up close. And in an era of mass-produced goods, this personal interaction with something handmade makes all the difference. Whether you're selling phone stands or wine racks, what stands out is not just the product itself, but the intentionality behind it. Customers walk away knowing they've purchased something that was not churned out in a factory, but thoughtfully crafted by a real person with skill and purpose. Another reason fast-selling wood products succeed is their adaptability. A design that begins as a simple wall shelf can be modified into a multifunctional piece. Add hooks for keys, a small drawer for mail, or a cubby for shoes. This design flexibility is especially important for customers who live in small spaces or who value versatility in their decor. When you provide solutions, items that serve multiple needs without occupying much space, you become a go-to creator in the eyes of your customer. But perhaps the most empowering part of it all is this: fast selling doesn't have to mean soulless. It's entirely possible to maintain the joy of craftsmanship, the spirit of creativity, and the ethics of sustainability, while also running a profitable woodworking business. You don't have to sacrifice passion for profit. On the contrary, when you love what you're making and understand who you're making it for, the two go hand in hand. The wood holds your intention, the grain reflects your journey, and the finished piece tells a story that someone else wants to invite into their home. For woodworkers in today's world, this is more than just a trend. It's a movement, a shift away from disposable culture and toward mindful living, a return to materials and methods that honor tradition while meeting modern needs. Whether you're building a brand from your garage or expanding a professional studio, fast-selling woodworking projects provide a path forward that is grounded, reliable, and deeply rewarding. They are quite literally built to last, just like the craft itself. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked fast-selling woodworking projects that actually make money, build, and sell with confidence. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.